What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to buy or sell QBTS stock. We're currently using the eToro platform, but of course you could use the platform that works for you. For eToro, we have the search bar right here and we're going to use this to search for QBTS. As you can see, we have the D-Wave Quantum Inc. with the acronym QBTS. So we're going to click on it. You can see the current price, the overview, the chart, analysis, news, etc. But of course, if you'd like to buy or sell and you've made your choice, you could go over to trade and then you have the option to short or sell it or to buy. If we're using the buy option, you can put in the amount, set your stop loss, use the leverage to change your leverage, and you have your summary right here. You can see the estimated opening costs at $1 and you see your available USD. Now there is nothing in this account and that's why we have the deposit button right here. If you have some funds, this button will be changed to a transaction completion button where you can go to the next stage to complete your transaction. So whether it's buying or selling using the short option, these are the steps to follow if you'd like to buy or sell QBTS stock.